Hey friends, how you doing today? This is your friend Lucky Matthew. Today I want to show you how to create multiple smart wallet accounts on one smart wallet. Multiple accounts on one smart wallet. The first thing you want to do is to click on settings at the bottom right here. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, it's going to take you to this interface. The first thing you see there at the top is my wallet. My wallet. You need to tap on it. Tap on my wallet, this one here, you tap on it. So the moment you tap on it, it opens up. It opens up. Okay. What you need to do next is to click on add wallet. Add wallet. Click on add wallet, this one. The moment you tap on it, it adds up. Okay. So it actually brings you to a new interface. The moment you're on this new interface, you click on create new wallet. Do not click on restore wallet. You just click on create new wallet at the center. You tap on it, and then depends on how complex you want your wallet to be. I will want to choose the basic security. Basic security. You tap on it. Do not tap on anything else here. Click on just basic security and click on continue. Basic security and click on continue. This one here. Click on continue. Then these are your phrases. Copy your phrase down. Okay. Press and hold this place. They wrote press and hold to see phrases. So you click on that place. This place here. Click on it. The moment you press and hold, it will this circle here, this place here is going to turn for a few seconds. The moment it turns for a few seconds, it will lock again. You press and hold again. You keep pressing it until you write down your seed phrase serially, your recovery phrase serially. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, up to 6, up to 12. Serially on a note. If it's possible, you can screenshot it with a smartphone, which I don't really recommend. So write it down on a paper after you must have written it down, and then that's all. Once you've written it down, you click on acknowledge. Check this button here. You click next. Once you check the button and click next, the next phase, they're going to ask you to enter those things you've written down again. Once you enter them, that you the seed phrase or recovery phrase you wrote down, once you click, you enter them serially according to how you wrote them down. Then you click on next, and then boom, they will tell you success. You have created your second wallet. So once you have done that, let's go back to the beginning. Once you have done that, at this instance here, let's assume you've created a wallet from this point here. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to switch between wallets. As you can see right now, it's actually showing wallet 1. Wallet 1. If you choose wallet 2, it will show wallet 2. If you choose wallet 3, it will show wallet 3. If you choose wallet 4, so you can create multiple wallets on this account. It's as simple as that. Okay. So if you tap on it now, I have just one wallet. If I had money wallet here, it's going to show me the other wallet. Then I can just tap on the wallet, enter my password, and then it will open up the new wallet, the other wallet I've switched to. So from here, you can also add that wallet that we talked about. You can also add that wallet, that is, add a new wallet from this point. So we have two ways to go about it: through the setting that we talked about, or through by just going to the home screen and tap on that my wallet, then click on add wallet. It's as simple as that. Follow the process through and you successfully create second wallet, third wallet, fourth wallet, as the case may be.